of you who are new to my channel, my name is Aya and I'm a bento mom. I make fun and creative lunch boxes for my daughter Zion. I'm also into gardening and homemaking, and I also love food, travel, and shopping. So if these are the things that interest you, please keep on watching. So happy weekend, guys! For this weekend, we're doing another homemaking content. So I am doing a product review today. I wanted to share with you this great new Boodle find. So this is actually a cleaning tool that I've recently discovered. So let's check and see what I'm talking about. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. Ta-da! So this is the new baby that I got from the Gemini store, and it's called the Scrub Master. So it says here that this is a powerful electronic brush that scrubs hard so you don't have to. And then, ito yung claims niya. So, no more bending, cordless and rechargeable. And it lasts up to 90 minutes of scrubbing. And then it says here on top, no more back pain after cleaning. And I like that. And another one here, it says, clean faster and relax longer. So it's very, very promising. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay. So let me just open the box. When I actually got this, guys, it was very sealed. Naka-bubble wrap siya ng malupit. So, ayan. Alright, so when you open the box, inside the box, we have here the user's manual. And I've actually browsed it, and the good thing is that it's actually written in English. So, hindi siya kagaya ng mga ibang items na nakukuha natin na written lang siya in Chinese. So, the instructions are very, very easy to read because English nga yung manual. And then, we have here the rechargeable na cleaning brush. Ayan. So, ito yung handle, right? Rechargeable cleaning na handle, and then this is the brush. So when you put them together, so this is the rechargeable cleaning brush, and then you will find here the charging port, ayan, on top. So this is where you charge yung inyong electronic brush, right? And then you also have here the extension rod. Here. So, you can use this for hard-to-reach places, lalo na pag naglilinis kayo, halimbawa sa toilet or sa bathroom, and then medyo mataas yung lilinisin nyo. So, this is what you can use to extend the brush, right? And then, you also have the charger, of course. We have the charger here. So, it's on a separate box. So this is what you use to charge the brush. So you just plug this sa power outlet, and then on the other end naman, this is what you need to plug doon sa rechargeable na cleaning brush. Okay? And then included also are 3 different kinds of brushes, or 3 different kinds of brush heads. So the first one, ayan, they're on separate packages, naka-plastic sila. So this is the flat brush head. Okay, so this one you can use for flat and even surfaces like floors or walls. Ayan siya. There. And then you also have the dome brush head. So, naka-plastic din siya separately. So, this is the dome brush head. So, this is how it looks like. And this one naman is for uneven surfaces. So, you can use this one for sinks or fittings. Ayan. And then, the third one naman, third type of brush head is the conical brush head. So this one is very effective And you can use this for the corners or hard to reach areas ng mga brush. So, corners and joints. Okay? So, what you need to do is to just attach yung rechargeable cleaning brush. And then you just have to attach it. So, the other end ng handle is for the charging port. And then you just need to lock it in place. So, ganyan siya. Tapos, i-lock in place nyo lang siya. There. And then, matik na siyang nalalak. There. Hindi na siya mahuhugot. So, this is the rechargeable na cleaning brush when you put them together. And then, if you need to extend it, you just click it here to remove. Ayan. And then, ilagay nyo yung extension rod here, this one. And then this is what you need to just put in here. Ayan. Naglalak na siya automatically. And then, on the other end, you will put yung inyong rechargeable na brush. Ayan. So, this is where you put the brush heads. So, depends on what you will clean. You can use the flat, the conical, or the dome brush head. Ayan. So, ganito siya kahaba, guys. So, later, I'll demonstrate to you. I think I want to clean our service area, and I'll also show you how to use it in cleaning the toilet and bath. Okay? So, ganyan siya. So, if hindi naman hard to reach yung places na i-clean nyo, then you can just remove the extension rod again. Sobrang dali niya gamitin and sobrang dali niya tanggalin. And nalalock in place talaga siya. Ayan. Tada! So, ito na mismo yung ipapanglinis nyo. And as you can see, there, its handle is long, just long enough for you to clean the different spaces dun sa inyong toilet or kung saan man kayo naglilinis. Ayan. You don't have to really bend. Tama nga yung claim, but we will try it later, okay? So this is especially helpful now, lalo na ngayon, even if hindi naman kayo mga mommies or not homemakers, but there's actually people who love to clean, diba? So, yung mga titas of Manila, hindi na binibili nila yung mga shoes and bags ngayon, lalo nag-pandemic. Ayan, ganito na, mga cleaning tools, home organizers, or kung ano man na to beautify and clean your home. Ganun yung mga binibili ngayon. So, ayan. So, we'll try it. Okay? So, for the demonstration, I'm using first the dome brush head. Just insert it's a rechargeable cleaning brush. And then, I'm using my own all-purpose cleaner. Although they sent me one, since may bukas pa ako, I'll just be finishing this up before I use the one they sent me. And then, ayan, just turn it on. And then, the motor will start spinning. There, as you can see, we're cleaning our sink. So, the dome brush head, you can actually use for uneven surfaces, gaya nitong sink. Or, you can also use it sa inyong kitchen sink as well. And then, you can also use it for fittings. Ayan. So, as you can see, the motor is really powerful and then it scrubs well dun sa sink. You just need to take control of it dahil powerful nga yung motor niya. So, you just need to handle it ng maayos. Ayan. So, medyo matagal din akong di naglinis ng toilet and bath just so I can try using this Scrub Master. So, no bashing sa maduming toilet sink. Ayan. So, just keep on putting the all-purpose cleaner as you wish. And then, ayan, so nakikita nyo, just make it spin around dun sa inyong sink. Then the next one naman, I'll clean the corners ng sink and our fitting or our faucet. I'm gonna use this Conical Brush Head. So just insert it again to rechargeable cleaning brush na handle and then spray on the all-purpose cleaner that you have at home. There you go. So the Conical Brush Head is actually, as the name implies, it's a cone shape. So this can be used for corners and joints. So ayan, turn on na natin siya. And then I'm gonna use it to clean the faucet first. So although the dome brush head can be used to clean the fittings, itong conical brush head, I also found it useful to clean the faucet. Ayan, as you can see, it can reach yung under ng faucet na area, which I find it hard to brush. So normally toothbrush ang ginagamit ko dyan, but now with the Scrub Master, you can easily reach hard to reach na areas. Ayan. And then yung corners, as you can see, ayan, medyo hard to reach din yan. So the conical brush head can easily clean that area. So instead of me using the toothbrush, ito mas powerful siya kasi may motor siya, and then the brush will keep on spinning. So i-guide nyo lang siya where you want it to clean. Ayan. There. So for cleaning the floor, we'll use the extension rod. So press lang natin siya dito so that we can insert the extension rod. Ayan. There you go. And then just insert it dun sa ating rechargeable cleaning brush na handle. And then ilagay natin yung pinag-a-attachan natin ng brush. So we'll use the flat brush head. So the flat brush head can be used for large, flat, and even surfaces like floors and walls. Ayan. So again, I'm using my own purpose cleaner. Although they sent me one, like what I've mentioned. Ayan, sa screen yung sinend nila sa akin na cleaner. So I have yet to try it. And then ayan, turn it on lang. So, para lang kayong nagva-vacuum. There. So, again, the motor is very powerful, but you need to take control of the Scrub Master para maayos nyong malinis yung inyong floor area. There. So, walang bending. It's not gonna put a stress on your back anymore. Ayan. So just spray the all-purpose cleaner accordingly and scrub as you wish. Ayan. So I also use the flat brush head to clean our service area. So, ito yung aming service area. So, medyo madumi siya. No bashing. So, we haven't cleaned this one for a while kasi medyo maulan ngayon. But, as you can see, powerful nga yung motor niya. So, it removes the dirt. So, I just use the same all-purpose cleaner that I use for our toilet and bath. And then, just scrub it accordingly. And again, you don't have to bend. You're just like using a vacuum cleaner. Ayan. And then, ito yung itsura niya before cleaning. And then, after cleaning, ito na siya. Tada! Ayan. So, that's just like 2 minutes of scrubbing time. So, the 90 minutes of scrubbing time that you get every time you charge the Scrub Master for 5 hours, marami na talaga kayong malilinis. And so, that's it, guys. I hope the demonstration a while ago was very helpful. So, it was really helpful to us having found something like this to clean our toilet and bath as well as our service area. So we haven't tried cleaning the car tires, because you can also use this one not only in the toilet and bath, your kitchens, service or laundry area, but you can also use it in cleaning your car tires. So we haven't really tried it, but I'm sure this will be very effective as well. So what can I say about the Scrub Master? So it's really thumbs up for me. So this is a very, very good investment. So meron kayong traditional na scrubs, yung brushes, but you still have to manually do it traditional way, and then yuyuko pa kayo. And especially tayo na, you know, sa age natin, na hindi na tayo bumabata, medyo sumasakit na yung likod natin when we do a lot of bending. So this one is designed to make cleaning easier for you. So no more bending, no stepping on a chair, because you have the extension rod which you can use to clean hard to reach areas, lalo na sa toilet and bath nyo. And then it's also safe to use because it's already cordless. So you don't want to use something na wired when cleaning your toilet and bath, kasi naka-plug yon. And this one, walang risk ng electric shock because it's cordless and you can just charge it easily. It's 5 hours of charging, and then you can already do 90 minutes of scrubbing. So imagine that. That's 1 hour and 30 minutes of you being able to clean your home. And what else did I like about this one? What I liked about this one as well is I noticed that when you put pressure to it, tuloy-tuloy lang yung pagsispin ng brush. I heard that there are cheaper alternatives of the Scrub Master online, but the motor is not as powerful as the Scrub Master. So, mas maganda na bumili kayo ng legit kaysa bumili kayo ng mumurahin and then hindi naman ganun maglalast yung motor niya. So, this one is already proven and tested and effective for me. Worth it ba siya for the price? Yes. So, I really, really recommend for you to get one. So, sana naka-help sa inyo yung review na to and yung aking demonstration earlier. And if you want to get this, I actually want to share my code with you. So you will have a 10% discount when you purchase Scrub Master. So here's the screen. Kaayaaya S10 for 10% discount when you purchase Scrub Master. So I'll also put this in the description box, as well as the links to Gemini store, where you can buy one of your own Scrub Master. So I hope you enjoyed cleaning with me today. I hope you enjoyed this homemaking content, and I hope you found this very, very helpful to you as well. If you did, please like and share this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye!